Have you ever wished for a digital do not disturb sign for certain clients? If you're a salon, spa, or fitness professional using Vagaro, you've probably encountered a situation where, for one reason or another, you'd prefer not to book with a particular individual. Maybe it's a chronic no-show, someone who consistently arrives late, or perhaps a client whose demands simply don't align with your service philosophy. In the fast-paced world of appointments and client management, these scenarios can disrupt your flow, impact your earnings, and even affect your team's morale. So, the burning question is, can you block clients on Vagaro? It's a question that gets at the heart of managing your business effectively and maintaining a positive work environment. We all strive for perfect client relationships, but the reality is, not every client is the right fit for every business. Sometimes, a clean break or the ability to prevent future bookings with a problematic client is not just a preference, but a necessity for the health and efficiency of your operation. Think about it. A client who frequently cancels last minute can leave significant gaps in your schedule, costing you valuable revenue. Someone who repeatedly disputes charges can create administrative headaches and financial losses. And then there are the clients who, despite your best efforts, are simply never satisfied, leading to an endless cycle of complaints and redose that drain your energy and resources. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Vagaro's functionalities, let's understand why this feature or the need for it is so crucial. Client management isn't just about getting people in the door. It's about curating a client base that supports your business goals and allows you to thrive. A disruptive client can occupy time and resources that could be better spent on loyal, appreciative customers. They can also create a negative atmosphere for your staff, leading to burnout and decreased productivity. In a service-oriented business, your time is your most valuable asset. Every minute spent dealing with a difficult client is a minute not spent on a valuable, positive interaction. This is why tools that empower you to control your client interactions are so vital. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you actually block clients on Vagaro? The answer, in short, is yes, but perhaps not in the way you might initially imagine a block button working. Vagaro offers robust tools for managing your client base, and while there isn't a single, universally labeled block client button that makes a client disappear from your system entirely, there are several effective strategies and features within Vagaro that allow you to prevent problematic clients from booking with you, or at least from doing so easily. Vagaro's approach to client management is designed to give you flexibility and control. Instead of a hard block that could potentially lead to privacy or legal issues, Vagaro provides mechanisms that achieve the same desired outcome, preventing unwanted bookings. These mechanisms are often tied to how you manage client profiles, communicate with clients, and set your booking rules. One of the primary ways to effectively block a client on Vagaro is through client deactivation or inactivation. When you deactivate a client's profile, they can no longer book appointments online with you. This is a powerful tool for preventing future bookings from individuals you no longer wish to serve. It's not about deleting their historical data, which is important for your records and compliance, but rather about severing their ability to interact with your booking system. To do this, you would navigate to the client's profile within Vagaro, find the option to edit their status, and set them as inactive. This is a straightforward process that immediately prevents them from utilizing your online booking portal. Another highly effective method involves restricting online booking for specific clients. While deactivating a client prevents all online bookings, you might have scenarios where you want to keep a client active for record keeping but still prevent them from self-booking. Vagaro allows you to control a client's online booking privileges. By unchecking the Allow Online Booking option in their client profile, you effectively cut off their ability to schedule appointments themselves. They would then need to contact you directly to book, which gives you an opportunity to manage the interaction and decide whether to proceed with the booking. This provides a layer of control and a chance for you to screen appointments from specific individuals. Furthermore, Vagaro's cancellation and no-show policies play a crucial role in deterring undesirable booking behavior. While not a direct block, consistently enforcing your cancellation and no-show policies can naturally filter out clients who are not respectful of your time. Vagaro allows you to set up automated reminders, require deposits, and even charge cancellation fees. Clients who repeatedly incur these fees or are marked as no-shows may eventually choose not to book with you, or you can use this information to justify deactivating their profile. These policies, when clearly communicated and consistently applied, act as a deterrent for problematic behavior. For more nuanced situations, consider utilizing Vagaro's Client Notes feature. While this doesn't directly prevent a booking, it's an invaluable internal tool. You can add detailed notes to a client's profile regarding their history, specific requests, or any issues encountered. This serves as a warning system for you and your staff. If a client with a history of difficult behavior attempts to book, these notes will immediately flag them, allowing you to make an informed decision about whether to accept the appointment. This is particularly useful for managing clients who aren't outright bad, but require a different approach or have specific sensitivities. It's also worth noting the power of requiring prepayment or deposits for certain services or for clients with a history of no-shows. Vagaro's payment processing capabilities allow you to enforce these rules. By making it mandatory for certain clients to pay upfront or place a deposit, you significantly reduce the likelihood of no-shows and last-minute cancellations, as they have a financial stake in the appointment. This can be particularly effective for new clients or those who have proven unreliable in the past. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is the concept of manual override and control over your calendar. Even if a client manages to book online despite your settings, you always have the power to cancel or reschedule an appointment. If you identify a problematic client through their booking name or contact information, you can simply decline the appointment and reach out to them to explain why. While this might feel more confrontational, it ultimately gives you the final say over who occupies your valuable time slots. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.